here about 50 million of yes, okay, I get this extraordinary general meeting. We agreed on 50 million naira each spent for the owner. Mana, as God may have it, last night kind of meeting, we met to go to Nairobi. We raised 400 million under 30 minutes. It is unprecedented. Under 30 minutes, we raised 400 million naira to attend to Umunai na Southeast Ndi because we are living for humanity.
By the grace of God, by 16th, we will declare you the winner. Everyone at home and abroad will come home and deliver our person. Home and abroad, 16th of August, we come and deliver our man. I don't know Jackie wrong here. You ready the market and I'm south. And the only half of capacity. Only a D2 Senate. Only a J Bambo, going a job about them Monday and Ambara South. I know my capacity, the independent minded that now on the labor. No, you put a lie on.